What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So today we're doing some fabricating, and let's jump into it and I'll explain what I'm doing. If you remember, I had a small battery here that had a tray on it, and this is the Evo 10 fusible link box, so I could put the battery in the trunk. Actually, let me just show you. I traced the tray that I had the small battery on, and then I mapped or drew the bends of the tray. So we're gonna take this piece of sheet metal and we're gonna put this on there, trace it out, cut it out, and then we'll bend it, and hopefully we can mount the fusible link box to the tray. So let's give it a whirl. I'm actually pretty excited about this. Hopefully it turns out all right, and if it doesn't, then we just keep tweaking it until it does. Okay, got it traced out. Now let's get it cut out. I'm gonna grab the Dremel and get to work. There's probably easier ways than a Dremel, but it's kind of all I have that will get into those little bends and curves. So let's just do it. All right, got it all cut out. I didn't want to show all the grinding because I mean it's kind of boring. You just kind of Dremel around the line you made. If you're interested in that and you do want to learn a little bit more about it, let me know down below, and I can make a video around that, and we'll make some shapes and draw some things out and cut it out and do whatever. So anyway, got it cut out. Now we got to bend it and then work on the little surprise. Okay, so apologies for not showing more of the bending process on that. Apparently when I hit record, I hit it twice and I didn't get any clips from that, so apologies, I'm a noob. Okay, so essentially I just put the plate on the edge of the table here and then just put even pressure with both my hands on the plate and like bend it down and around. And then I checked my cardboard piece with the angles on it and made sure I had them close. And so I think I have the bends okay. When we throw it on the car, we should be able to tell a little more, but yeah, this is a scrap now. Now we get to really have some fun. Okay, that's burnt now. I'm gonna let it cool and then I'm gonna spray some clear on it. Hopefully that will keep the flash rust from happening. It does it fairly fast on that. You may have noticed it on the scrap piece, but yeah, hopefully that helps. Okay, got it sprayed. It should be dry by now. It's been a little while. So we got the car back in the garage, turned around. Let's do a little test fit and see how it looks and go from there. Okay, let's see what we got here. It's actually not bad. Maybe once I tighten down these two bolts up front, this back here will bend a little better and it'll fit a little more snuggy, but that looks pretty good. I'm gonna snug it down and then I'm gonna put this on there and trace out my lines to drill the holes to mount it with. And you know we're using that JD Customs titanium hardware. I probably should have on gloves handling this, but it is what it is. It's just not wanting to line up all the way here. Okay, so I see the issue. Let me get it off of here. So I need to make this a little bit wider on this side. The stud is hitting and it's not letting it like slide enough to get this bottom thing lined up. So let me trim that a little bit and we'll try it again. Whew, okay, that should be enough. Let's throw it back on the car and see if it fits now. Oh yeah. Much better. Okay, it looks solid. Everything mounts up. I would probably like to do it a little bit cleaner if I had it to do over up here, but yeah, looks good. Now we need to figure out how to mount this thing. Let's move around some wires and see what we can do. Okay, we got it all back apart. I'm gonna grind this little nub off right here because it's getting in the way of setting flush on the plate, like flat. So yeah, let's grind that off real fast and then go from there. Okay, so this bracket right here for the engine mount is pretty skinny, and I think I am pretty close with this dot. I'm gonna maybe go in a little bit and we're gonna guess and hope it works. Okay, I got my hole punched and I realized that I have not talked about my thoughts on the burn thing I done. So let me do that real quick. Okay, so overall, I'm pretty happy with it. My idea I had in my mind was I wanted to burn like the edge, like around everything, and then like the dots there for the hole, and I wanted to just be edged out. But I think this was just such thin metal, and once it got hot enough to like make the burn look, it just like spread. So if I had it to do over, I would probably, well, one, change the metal, probably, and then I don't know how I would reheat it, but I think I want to try this again just to get good at heating stuff like this. And then maybe I'll make another bracket at some point in time. But right now, I like it. I think it looks sick. It's gonna, like, when this sits on it, it's gonna look kind of cool. It's kind of like around where it sits, which I like. I sprayed the clear on there and it's flash resting still. So I may pop it off at some point in time and like sand that back off and like re-clear it. Don't know why it's doing that, but oh well. Okay, we got her. I did have to do quite a bit of creative trimming around this plastic on this Fusable box. I don't know if you're supposed to do that way, but I just didn't see any other way with how my wires were. So yeah, got that all on there. I will say I did have to move this forward some from the place I had it at originally. It was hitting that bracket that I thought I missed going that way. I thought I could get in between it, but just decided to come forward and get over it and be done with it that way. So got it on there. I'm gonna put the little red cap on there and gotta figure out something to do with this ground wire, how I can get that out of there. And doink, there it is. Need to do a little trimming on it to get it to fit like all the way down, but she's done. Just need to hook up the battery in the trunk again and we should be good to go. But that's gonna do it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a sporadic, maybe short video, depends on how I edit it. But I've been really needing to do this project for a while and get it all lined up and fixed in there because it's just been sitting in there. Been bothering me in the back of my mind, but had other things to do, but got it done today. And next we're gonna be moving on. Actually, let me grab it real quick. I mentioned it in a previous video, but I'm gonna be doing this circuit breaker in the back of the car where the battery is. Should be kind of cool. I'm excited to do that. So we'll get that installed next time, and I gotta make another bracket for the battery back there, so it's not sliding around, moving around, and all that stuff. So I don't know how to weld, so I'm gonna have to find me a welder that will weld those brackets together, because I gotta make one that goes over the battery and then like long ways on the battery. So gotta figure that out, but we'll do that next time. Thanks for watching as always. I do appreciate it very much. Drop a comment down below on what you thought, and don't forget to do the other YouTube things down there. You guys know how it goes, and catch you next time. Bye!